This is my old computer. It's a mid-2007 MacBook, and well, it's got an aftermarket battery on it. It's upgraded RAM, upgraded hard drive, but anyways, turn it on. It's dead. So I needed a computer, obviously, and this thing is just not worth investing a cent into. It's like 12 years old now, and it's only getting older. So got a new computer. See, it's a Dell laptop because obvious reasons, and I'm going to show you the information panel on the side. Okay, here's the side information panel. It's an Inspiron 5500 Inspiron 15. It's got a 15.6-inch Full HD display with webcam, an Intel Core i7-7500U processor, 8GB of memory, 120GB SSD with a 1TB hard drive, with integrated Intel HD graphics, Windows 10, of course. It also has an optical drive, DVD plus/RW drive. I know that's a little bit out of date, but I do like optical drives on my computer. It's got wireless with Bluetooth. It's got a 3-cell battery integrated into the unit, a memory card reader, so that'll be good for SD cards, HDMI and USB 1.0, Wave Max Audio Pro, and it's got warranty and some stuff if you like to read this. Alright, I've just cut the tape and took this bottom flap out. I have yet to see what's in there, and you're about to see it for the first time with me. Oh, I thought it was going to be one of those. Need a little help? No, I don't. Anyways, I guess just got to pull this out. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's upside down. Whoops. Inspiron. It's wrapped in plastic. Tells you to charge it. Of course, that makes sense. Dell. The main meat of the product. But before we get to that, let's take a look what else is in the box. This required warranty, safety, and regulatory information that nobody reads. But at least they shrink it down so it doesn't waste as much paper as it has before. Yeah, whatever. Alright. And then it's got Inspiron Quick Start Guide. Do I really need this? Does anybody really need this? I don't think anybody really needs that. Alright, more cardboard packaging to get out of the way. And there it is. So, there's the computer. And I'm going to take it out of the plastic and I'm going to show it. Alright, I just took it out of the plastic and nope. Woo! Whoa! Oh! It's got a normal keypad. I didn't actually know that. And it's got standard stickers. Tell you everything. Ooh! Intel Core i7, 7th generation. Not the newest thing, but it'll do. Fingerprint scanner. Nice. Ooh. This is a backlit keyboard too. Nice. Alright, about to plug it in. Oh, to you. Idiot me forgot to show you the AC adapter that it of course comes with. There it is. Quite small, which is a good thing I guess. Easier to take with you. Anyways, separate power cords so they can use the same brick with other regions of the world. Just switch out the cord. 45 watts. Can't read that on camera because it doesn't focus, but it's 45 watts, take my word for it. 19.5 volts, 2.31 amps, and a United States power cord. Other parts of the world will obviously get different cords, and this has to be ripped open. I'll open that real fast. Alright, it is now open, and the cords are now unraveled. Let's plug this in. I need to make room for this thing on my desk, but as for now, I'll just place it real quick so that I can just get it charged. And I should have brought the cord up while I was getting everything else on the desk set up, so I'll do that real fast. Alright, let's get the obvious out of the way. Get the power cord plugged into the adapter. There. It's now in. Now we take the old adapter from my MacBook out because I won't be needing this anymore. And you plug this in. Well, definitely takes a lot less space than that thing. And I'll just put this down to the side next to the Sony adapter for the DVD drive that I've yet to do a video on. I should probably get on to doing that. Maybe after a couple more videos. And plug this into the computer. Plug. Alright, I would show you more features and turn it on, but when it comes to my nature, I like to let things charge fully before I, touch them again. So I'll be back in a few hours when I'm certain that this thing has been fully charged. So I'll be back. It has been a few hours. So I'm certain this device is fully charged now. Alright. Well, I didn't turn it on yet, so yeah. So a closer look at the ports. You got the power socket, HDMI, Ethernet, 2 USB 3.1 ports, a combined line-in/line out port for headphones. Over here, you got an SD card reader, a USB 2.0 port, an optical drive for CD and DVD, and you have a lock port for Noble locks. Underneath the service information, I don't typically want to show you that, though it does say the manufacturer year is 2019. This is a new product. Well, maybe not newest, but it was manufactured this year. And the only modification I made to it so far is I added this webcam cover. Gotta keep safe, right? Just says to remove the sticky tape, place it over your lens, and yeah. Alright, so let's open it up. See, there's the cover. Alright. Let's power it on. Whoa, it's powering on. Oh look, the keyboard's now lit up, and I'll come back to you after this is started up. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to turn the keyboard off because I don't want it on. And select the region, United States. Keyboard layout, United States. Skip, I don't really care. Alright, let me connect to the internet real fast. Alright, I've now connected to the internet. So important setup. Just a moment. Let's see what's new. Woo. License agreement. Let's see. Do people have to read this stuff? I knew it's all. No. Who really cares? I suppose. Nah. Well, I'll get past this real fast. Hold up. Okay, so it forced me to get a Microsoft account, so I did that. And now where I'm going to start using the fingerprint scanner, so I'm going to set that up. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to set up a pin, so stay there real fast. Now I'm getting told about linking my phone. Well, I'm going to skip that for now. No. No. Privacy settings. Let me get through all of this. Alright, said no to all that. No one cares. Here. definitely passed. Almost done now. Yeah, hopefully. Man, one of these days I'll get started. Oh, it's gone full screen. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off. Voila! We are in! Wow! Wow! Blank stuff. Alright. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and now I need to take the time to set this computer up so I can use it.